Welcome to the Trading Life Pro channel. I hope you all are doing well and already started to earn money by watching my previous videos. If not, you should give it a try, my friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and enable the notification bell to receive my upcoming money earning videos and ladies airdrop videos. You will be able to earn money online by those sites. If you joined to my Telegram channel, you will receive lots of free airdrops links and you will be able to claim free tokens daily. I will put my Telegram channel URL in the description. Without further ado, let's go to today's video. Today's website name is Free Faucet. You can claim Tron Satoshi from this site. I will show how to earn coins from this site. You will only need a FaucetPay account to receive these payments. Now we need to get our Tron address of the FaucetPay. Open the app and go to Deposit section. And copy the Tron wallet address by clicking on the address. Go back to website and paste your Tron wallet address in here. Click on the Claim Now button. Now you can see your wallet address and your account balance in here. Click on the Next button. After page reloaded, click on the I'm Not a Robot button and then Claim button. Now click on the Claim button. Now you can see your account balance and click on the Next button. After page reload, click on the I'm Not a Robot button and Claim button. As you can see here, account balance has increased and you can repeat same steps and earn Tron Unlimited. Click on this button to withdraw your money. It can be withdrawn to your FaucetPay Tron wallet. In here you can see your total balance and recent withdrawals. Click on the Withdraw button. Our withdrawal has been completed. Now let's check on the FaucetPay wallet. As you can see here, we have received our withdrawal from the Free Faucet website. Okay my friends, I hope I have explained today's video clearly and now you can start to earn Tron easily. You can share your referral link to your friends and earn some bonus money from the site also. You can spend some time to work on this site and you will be able to earn good amount of Tron coins. If you did this daily, after a few months you will have lots of Tron coins and you can deposit them on other mining site and earn more. I will bring some TRX mining websites in an upcoming video. Please subscribe and enable notification bell. See you soon. Stay safe.